My heart is still buzzing from excitement. Up next, I'm gonna take you to another activity that involves lots of action.
大的、小的跟一个滚筒刷。那下面这一层的话，就是会有防护衣跟护目镜，等一下你就可以换上。
We have the protection, the goggle. All right, let's put it on. With all the gears up, let's get some acrylic paint. Maybe a little green. All right, next color. I think that's enough for me. Let's go paint. Dip it. Ooh, paint. All right, look at that. All right, I'm done. Just kidding.
This is the painting space where you can let your creativity run wild. Here, they provide a variety of tools such as water guns, paintbrushes of all kinds, spray paints, and more. Feel free to express yourself and unleash your inner artist.
You never know how it's gonna turn out. In a wavy look. Perfect. Splash it. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. This is the piece of art. Welcome to my exhibition. I'm the type of the artist. The paint is called an abstract painter. You can see the paint is in an abstract form. I splash in a creative way that you can't even imagine, that I can't even imagine. This is the perfect getaway from the daily bustling life. You can be as creative as you want, and you can paint anything you want.